8 is 17, man. You hear me? 9 plus 8 is 17. Hold up. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, yeah. 9. Oh, damn. 9 plus 8 is 17. I was always fast in high school. I was always fast in high school. You ain't know that? I was always fast in high school.
Big blonde head ass in the motherfucking bed. What's that? Yeah, I swear I thought that was Granddad's. Fuck, bro. I thought